welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this quick video to explain some changes that's going on. I am changing the name of my channel from New Old Mom to One Crunchy Mommy. I think that the name will explain my channel better. I like the name better. It sounds cuter, and also, to be honest with you, I'm changing because of my children. They kept getting my channel name mixed up and just kept calling me Old Mom. And I was like, no. I was like, no, that's not acceptable. They were like, you're gonna do some more with your Old Mom? Is your Old Mom channel the Old Mom? And I was like, wait a minute, I'm not the Old Mom. It was New Old Mom. The name came from the fact that I have a 7 and a 6-year-old, and this is my 3rd child that I just recently had. And so you would think that I was an old pro with it and didn't have any type of questions, or I had everything in the bag basically. But with this 3rd baby, oh my gosh, everything is so completely brand new. And so that's some of the things that I wanted to share with you guys on this channel. The differences in my first 2 children, my 2 girls, and my baby boy now, who has so many, I'm doing so many different things with him. I do believe that One Crunchy Mommy will be more of a better description for this channel because I realized that I am crunchy. There's an actual description for people like me. I breastfeed, I do cloth diapering exclusively, I baby wear, I have a Moby wrap, I have a sling, I also have a regular carrier, and so he's just about always attached to me. He's really right off camera right here, like literally right here. And also I homeschool, and I know everyone's homeschooling right now, and this is great, so we can all take this journey together. I'm a big DIYer if it can save money. Creativity, not that great, but if I see something good, I can try to replicate. Maybe I can't create, but I can replicate. I try at least. And so this channel will be a lot of things like that. Just a few tips and tricks that I figured out. Maybe some rants and some venting because things are so completely new to me with the baby boy. Just home stuff, family stuff, around the house stuff, maybe some husband rants every so often. But mainly just a fun, happy, hopefully informative channel that you guys can check out every so often to see my point of view here. So just another super busy mom on the internet, hopefully sharing something good and entertaining for you guys, and I hope you guys will stick around. That's right. Please stay tuned to One Crunchy Mommy. See you on my next video.
One Crunchy Mommy.